Hey guys, join that video. So I'm gonna show you how to delete your Instagram account. But there are two ways to delete the Instagram account, and then there is one other important thing that you need to know about. Okay. So the first thing is you need to download all the data that you have because it's kind of important, right? So how to download that? I will show you. And the second thing is if you want to delete the Instagram account permanently, then you are actually giving up on the right to recover it because it's getting deleted by Instagram from their servers, like from their database. You can't ever actually recover it. But if you are temporarily disabling it, then it's kind of like it's getting vanished from the servers or networks. So nobody can find that Instagram account anymore. But the thing is that you can actually enable it any given time. So choose what you want to do. Now let me show you how to do it. But one of the things, if you want to do it, you can actually do it from the Instagram app. So you need to have the browser open, whether you are on PC or Safari or on iPhone or Chrome on Android or anywhere. Just you need to open the browser, okay? So to download the photos you uploaded on Instagram, you open the mobile app. From there, you can go to the profile section, tap on the option right here, and then tap on the settings, then tap security, and then tap on the download data. From there, you click on the request download button and you have to also enter the email ID. And in 48 hours, Instagram will email you a link to a file containing all your photos, comments, and profile informations. You can just download them, unzip it, and yeah, you can have all your photos. These photos will be higher in resolution compared to downloading manually via link sharing. Now let me show you how to disable your Instagram account. And to do this, you can use your Safari browser on your iPhone, Chrome on your Android, or any browser on your PCs. You log into the mobile version of Instagram, then click on the profile section, then click on the edit profile, then scroll down, and you will see a button in the bottom right corner saying temporarily disable my account. You hit the button, and then you have to answer why you're disabling the account, and you also have to re-enter your password. And then you click again on the temporary disable my account and you're done. And on PC, you just log into the Instagram in your browser, then click on the profile picture on the top right corner, then click on the profile, then edit profile, then scroll down and find the temporary disable my account button, and then it's kind of similar. Now the main one, if you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, then first log into the Instagram in your Safari browser or Chrome or any browser that you're using on PCs, then open a new tab, then you log into official Instagram account removal page. I will link down below that. Now in another tab, because you have already logged into Instagram, it will actually automatically detect which Instagram account you are talking about. After that, on that page, you answer why you want to delete your Instagram account and then enter your password. And then you click on the delete button and you're officially off the social network. You're actually done with Mark Zuckerberg. So yeah, that's about it. If you're doing it, you're doing it for good cause, and thank you a lot. And if you like this video, please do like, please do subscribe to this channel, and that's about it. Bye and take care.